Hello dear students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So in this series, can you solve it? Today we will solve another Bayes theorem question based on probability which was asked in JEE 2021. It is may come in CBSE as a long question. So the question is, out of 400 people, 160 are smokers and non-vegetarian, 100 are vegetarian and smokers, 140 are non-smokers and vegetarian. If a person is smoker and non-vegetarian, then chances of death is 35%. If it is vegetarian and smoker, then its chance of death is 15%. If the non-smokers and vegetarian, then the chance of death is 10%. If the person is found to be a dead, then find the probability that he is a smoker and non-vegetarian. The options are 56 by 85, 66 by 85, 46 by 85, 68 by 85. So if you read the question again carefully, there are total 400 people. 160 are smoker and non-vegetarian. 100 are vegetarian and smoker. 140 are non-smoker and vegetarian. So that means there are three subgroups. So we may take them event 1, event 2, event 3. So I'm writing the answer is a long question asked in CBSE. You can make it short in your entrance examination without writing any formula and any notation. So first I'm taking E1. What is E1? E1 is your the smokers and non-vegetarian. Smoker and non-vegetarian. E2, they are vegetarian and smoker. E3 is equal to is your non-smoker and vegetarian. So then what is the probability? Probability of E1 is equal to your 160 by 400 because 400 is total. Probability of E2 is equal to your 100 are vegetarian and smoker, 100 by 400, and E3 is equal to 140 by 400. We can cancel 10, 10, 10. Next, what happening? Next concept is, if a person is smoker and non-vegetarian, then chance of death is 35%. So death is your event A, which is condition. Vegetarian and smoker chance is your 15%. Death from second time is 15%. Death from non-smoker and vegetarian means third time is 10%. If a person found to be dead, so it is the conditional probability, or I will apply Bayes theorem. So A I am taking as your death, the event of death. So probability of death from first type is equal to your 35 by 100. Probability of death from second type is equal to 15% by percent or 15 by 100. Directly also, if I applying here this answer in JE, no need of writing this 100, directly you can write a percentage. It will be 10 by 100. Now you read the last line very carefully because this is the answer. If the person is found to be dead, the condition is A. What is the probability that he is smoker and non-vegetarian? That means what is the condition? You will be your E first type when death has taken place. So question is, what is your PE1 A has occurred or condition A? So I'm writing the formula. What is it? E A condition E1 multiplies PE1. Whole upon the sample space, P A condition E1 into PE1 plus P A condition E2 multiplies PE2 plus P A condition E3 multiplies PE3. Now, if it is entrance examination question, you can start from here only. No need of writing all this. Directly you can put here. So it will be your 60 by 40 multiplies how much? 35%. You can write only 35% also. You can write. You will write percentage, well, write percentage in everywhere. Into 35 by 100. Coming to second one. Second one percentage is your 10 by 40. This is 10 by 40 multiplies your 15 by 100, 15%. Plus third is 14 by 40 multiplies your, how much it will be? Sorry, 10%. This is a 10%. So I can take 4,000 common, 1 by 4,000 common, so I'll get 16 into 35. This gives you 5,560. Now, if similarly you can take common 4,000, how much you will get? You will get 560 plus your 150 plus your 140. This cancel, so it will be 560 upon, add them, it will be how much? 850. So what will be the answer? Answer is 56 by 85. What is the answer? Answer is your first one is answer. One is answer. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching.